Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how to pair or connect the TWS4, which are kind of like JBL earbuds knockoffs. They come in a box like this, TWS4. And pretty much I want to show you guys how to get them into pairing mode if they didn't go into pairing mode and get them to connect with an iPhone. This is the iPhone 7 and it should work the same for other iPhones as well. So out of the charging case, make sure they are fully charged, and while they are off, so go ahead and turn them off if they're currently on. While they are off, you will long press in the very center of the touch area, okay? So in the very center of the touch area, and then you'll see these two blue lights that will light up together, like that. And let it go as soon as you see them light up in blue. And once they light up in blue, one side goes into the pairing mode, which is the blue-red blinking lights. Now, once that happens, it means that earbud is now the host earbud and ready to pair. Now, the next step on your iPhone, of course, we are going to go into the main settings, and we'll go to where it says Bluetooth, tap on that once, and then turn that on. All right, yeah, turn it on. And once it turns on, it's gonna automatically start searching for nearby devices. You will see TWS4, just tap on it one time, and then they will say it's connected. Now, to be sure that they are both connected to your phone, just go ahead and take a look at the earbuds, and you'll see that they will occasionally just blink in blue. So just pay attention to that. And if they're both flashing in blue, that means they are both sync and paired to the device. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching.